About here carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. So in this binding of carbon with other elements, generally carbon forms 4 covalent bonds, either single bonds or double bonds or triple bonds. Okay, it forms with the same carbon atoms or other elements also. Okay, అంటే కార్బన్స్ తో గాని అదర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తో గాని సింగిల్ బాండ్స్, డబుల్ బాండ్స్ ఆర్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేస్తాయి. సో అదర్ దాన్ కార్బన్ ఆటమ్. సో కార్బన్ అన్న హైడ్రోజన్ కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అవి ఫామ్ చేసే బాండింగ్ చూస్తే ఇక్కడ ఆల్కహాల్, ఆల్డిహైడ్, కీటోన్ అండ్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ already explained in this previous class. So once again you see here carbon compounds with CHO, carbon compounds with CHO, carbon compounds with CHO. So here the formation of organic compounds with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Let us say here one type here alcohol. Okay. In this alcohol, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms are present. Okay. Right. How can it form the alcohol here? The replacement of hydrogen atom from water molecule by the alkyl group. So water molecule lo unde hydrogen ni alkyl to replace cheyadam valla alcohols anedi form aitayi. So water means this is like this here HOH. That is water. So the replacement of this hydrogen by R group. R group means alkyl group. So ఈ alkyl group తో hydrogen replace చేస్తే alcohols అనేది form అవుతాయి. So that means we write the alkyl group in the place of hydrogen. Then it is ROH. Water means HOH. Alcohol means ROH. That means alkyl group is substituting in the place of hydrogen. So hydrogen place lo manam R group rasam, alkyl group rasam. That is alcohol here. So the organic compounds containing OH group, which is functional group. This is functional group. OH group is functional group. So this is called alcohol. The organic compound containing OH group, that these are called alcohols. OH group functional group ga unde organic compounds ni alcohols అని చెప్తాం. So here you observe some examples. CH3OH, methyl alcohol, or methanol, methyl alcohol, and CH3CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Ethyl alcohol is a general name, means common name. Ethanol means IUPAC name. This is methyl alcohol. This is a common name. Methanol is a IUPAC name. Okay, right. So these are alcohol. Okay, in alcohol, the replacement of hydrogen from water by the alkyl group. Water lo unde hydrogen no R group తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే ఆల్కహాల్స్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. సో దట్ మీన్స్ ROH. Instead of HOH, we can write here ROH. So here R means alkyl group. R means alkyl group. R means alkyl group. Okay. OH, it is a functional group of the alcohol. Functional group of the alcohol. That means the organic compound which contains OH group. OH group. These are called alcohols. Alcohols. So we can say some example here: methanol, ethanol, methanol and ethanol. So next one is aldehyde. Next one is aldehyde. Aldehyde. So in alcohol, general formula CN H2N plus 1 OH. That is general formula of the alcohol. General formula of the alcohol. So next one, aldehyde. So aldehyde means here the hydrocarbons with functional group CHO, which is called aldehyde. So the organic compound contains CHO group as a functional group. These are called aldehyde. These are called aldehyde. This CHO group is also, it can be represented as like this: single bond C, double bond O, single bond H. That means around the carbon atom there is 4 covalent bonds are present. 4 covalent bonds, either single ones or double bonds. Okay, you take any compound or you can write any compound. Compulsory you must see the 4 covalent bonds around the carbon. So ఏ ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ తీసుకున్నా కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా కార్బన్ చుట్టూ 4 covalent bonds అనేవి ఉండాలి. That means it is represented as satisfied the its tetravalency of carbon. So carbon tetravalence అనేవి ఇట్లా satisfy అవుతుంది. So that is aldehyde. So organic compounds containing CHO group, these are called aldehyde. Some examples: formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, here like this. HCHO, this is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. So next one, CH3CHO, this is acetaldehyde. Next one is CH3CH2CHO, propionaldehyde. CH3CH2CHO, propionaldehyde. So here you can write also it HCHO. So this is aldehyde functional group, and CH3CHO means CH3CHO. This is aldehyde functional group, and next one is CH3CH2CHO. In this example, that is aldehyde functional group. So these are aldehyde. Okay, the organic compound contains CHO group as a functional group. That is called, these are called aldehyde. It can be represented as, here is also C double bond OH. That means in aldehyde, in CHO there is a C double bond O group is present. C double bond O. So one side with hydrogen, Another side with hydrogen or alkyl group. అంటే ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ఆల్కైల్ అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి హైడ్రోజన్ పెట్టాం. ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్ మీన్స్ లైక్ దిస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్. ఇలా రాసేదాన్ని ఇలా రాసాం మనం. సో ఇది ఏంది సి డబుల్ బాండ్. One side hydrogen, another side also hydrogen. So this is aldehyde functional group. This is aldehyde functional group. And you take acetaldehyde. In this acetaldehyde, C double bond O here. One side is hydrogen, another side is alkyl. This is alkyl group, nothing but methyl. This is methyl, nothing but alkyl. So here is also propionaldehyde. CH3, CH2, CHO like this. This CHO, it can be written. One side is hydrogen, another side is ethyl group. This is ethyl. This is methyl. This is ethyl. Both are alkyl group. Both are alkyl group. Okay, that is aldehyde. So here next one is ketone. In this alcohols means the organic compound contains OH group. That is, these are alcohols. So the formation of alcohol is takes place here. The replacement of hydrogen in water molecule or some water molecule by the alkyl group. Water lo unde hydrogen ni alkyl group to replace cheste alcohols anedi form aitayi. So that means in this alcohol OH group is a functional group. Functional group. So this is methanol. This is ethanol. Like this. The general formula of the alcohol CnH2n plus 1 OH. That is general formula of the alcohol. Okay, right. Next one, ketone. Okay. Ketones means the organic compounds contain C double bond O group. This is like this. C double bond O group as a functional group. Here both are or dash. Both are alkyl group, are same or different. These alkyl group both are alkyl group, same or different. Same or different. Okay, this is ketones means the organic compounds containing C double bond O group, that is ketone functional group. So these are called ketones. These are called ketones. So here in both R dash, both are alkyl groups. R dash. These both are alkyl groups. These are same or different. These are same or different. So here you take some example. Dimethyl ketone, here like this. This is like this. Dimethyl ketone. This is dimethyl ketone. So in this example, this is C double bond O, that means functional group. This is one alkyl, this is another alkyl. R group, R group. So both are same. Both are same. Okay. In this side, methyl group is present. In this side also, methyl group is present. So both are same. So that is dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. Next one, ethyl methyl ketone. Next one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. So this is ethyl. This is ketone functional group. One side is bond with methyl group, Another side bond with ethyl. This is ethyl. CH3, CH2, nothing but C2H5. C2H5. That means ethyl. CH3 means methyl. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. Okay, that is ketone. Okay, this is general formula of the ketone. So in general, the organic compounds containing CO functional group, these are called ketones. So in both sides occupies by the alkyl groups like this, alkyl groups. These both alkyl groups are same or different. Same aina undachu, different aina undachu. So here R dash means alkyl group. These are both same or different. So in this example, both alkyl groups are same. In this side methyl, this side also methyl. In this example, in different, that means this side is methyl group, this side is ethyl group. Both alkyl groups are different. In this case, both alkyl groups are same. So next one, aldehydes. Aldehydes mean the organic compounds containing CHO group. These are called aldehydes. So means C double bond OH. This is aldehyde functional group. You take some examples here. HCHO means formaldehyde. CH3CHO acetaldehyde. CH3CH2CHO propionaldehyde. So వీటిని ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. These are aldehydes. Next one, carboxylic acid group. Right, carboxylic acid. Right, the organic compounds containing COOH functional group. These are called carboxylic acid. It is also containing C double bond O group. Here like this. COOH and itla raasukovalsi untunnam. COOH. Okay, ila raayachchu, ila kuda raayachchu. Okay, next one. Here carboxylic acid means the general formula is RCOOH. Here R means alkyl group. So I take some examples here. Formic acid, acetic acid, HCOOH. This is formic acid, and CH3COOH. This is acetic acid. CH3CH2COOH, that is propionic acid. CH3CH2COOH. Propionic acid. Okay, these are examples for carboxylic acid. So here carboxyl group means COOH, C double bond OH. This is carboxyl group. That is carboxyl group. So in this case, R is a alkyl group, COOH means carboxyl group. Totally, this is carboxylic acid. So here, HCOOH is a formic acid. This is acetic acid. For this IUPAC name, IUPAC name, this is methanoic acid. This is ethanoic acid. Common name is propionic acid. Okay, IUPAC name is propanoic acid. Like this. These are carboxylic acid. The organic compounds containing COOH group, these are called carboxylic acid. So RCOOH means, here R means alkyl group, COOH means carboxyl group here. So you can say here some examples like that. Right. Next one is ether. Ether. Right. Ethers means the carbon compounds. That means here it contains R, O, R functional group. So it is formed by this is like this water. So the replacement of both hydrogens from water by the alkyl group. Okay. ఈ వాటర్ లో ఉండే రెండు హైడ్రోజన్స్ ని రెండు ఆల్కైల్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే ఈథర్స్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, you can write here in the place of hydrogen R group is writing here, R group. Hydrogen place లో R group రాసాం ఇక్కడ, that means alkyl group. This is ether. You say, I am saying here some example. CH3OCH3, dimethyl ether, dimethyl, both conditions. Here is methyl, here is methyl. So this is methyl, nothing but alkyl, means R group, R group. Dimethyl ether, this is dimethyl ether. Okay, you take some another example. Ethyl methyl ether, CH3 CH2O CH3. That name is ethyl methyl ether. This is ethyl group, this is methyl group, like this, ethyl methyl ether. So these are ether. So in this ether, ROR group as a functional group. So this is formed by the replacement of both hydrogen atoms in water by the alkyl group. Water lo unde ee rendu hydrogens ni alkyl group to replace cheyadam valla ethers anedi form aitayi. These are some examples for ether. So next one, ester. Ester. After that ether, ester. Okay, here the compounds are derivatives of carboxylic acid. These are derivatives of carboxylic acid. Okay, esters are derivatives of carboxylic acid. That means here the replacement of hydrogen atom from COOH group by the alkyl group. So this is carboxylic acid functional group. This hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. Then esters are formed. That means here COOR. This is ester. So the organic compound containing COOR functional group, these are called esters. These are called esters. These are also called derivatives of carboxylic acid. And you take some examples here. Dimethyl ester, like this CH3, COOCH3. Here, this is alkyl group. COOH రాయాలి జనరల్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ అయితే, హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో R group substitute చేసాం, means CH3. CH3 COOCH3. Its name is dimethyl ester. Dimethyl ester. So another example is ethyl methyl ester. That means CH3 CH2 C double bond O OCH3. This is ethyl methyl ester. Okay, right. So this is dimethyl ester, ethyl methyl ester. These are esters. So these are carbon compounds with CH2. You take any type means alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, and ethers, esters. You take anywhere, ప్రతి కాంపౌండ్ లో కూడా కార్బన్, హైడ్రోజన్, ఆక్సిజన్స్ అనేవి ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. యు టేక్ ఎనీ మీన్స్ ఆల్కహాల్, యు టేక్ ఆల్కహాల్, కార్బన్, హైడ్రోజన్, ఆక్సిజన్. ఆల్డిహైడ్స్, కార్బన్, హైడ్రోజన్, ఆక్సిజన్. కీటోన్స్ ఆల్సో, ఈథర్స్ ఆల్సో, ఎస్టర్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, దేంట్లో తీసుకున్నా కూడా కామన్ గా ఈ కార్బన్, హైడ్రోజన్, ఆక్సిజన్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ విత్ CHO. Carbon compounds with CHO. So next one is carbon compounds with CHN. Carbon compound. Compounds with CHN. Okay, after that CHO, here CHN. So first one is amines. Amines means the organic compounds containing NH2 functional group. NH2 functional group. These are called amines. So here the replacement of hydrogen from the ammonia. Ammonia means NH3. That means it can be written as NH3 means HNH2. Okay, the replacement of hydrogen from ammonia by the alkyl group, then amines are formed. That means RNH2. Replacement of hydrogen from the ammonia by alkyl group, then amines are formed. So here these are amines. Amines means organic compounds containing NH2 group. These are amines here. Okay, if one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, then it is formed here primary amine. This is primary amine. Okay, if here two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two alkyl groups, then R2NH. This is secondary amine. Okay, ఇప్పుడు అమ్మోనియాలోనే 3 hydrogens replace అయితే R3N. This is tertiary amine. This is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. So generally amines are classified into 3 categories. They are primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. Primary amine contains only one alkyl group. Secondary amines contains 2 alkyl groups. Tertiary amines contains 3 alkyl groups. For example, CH3NH2. That is primary. Why? Because there is only one alkyl group present in this. This is primary amine. Okay, next one, secondary. Like this. This is secondary. Why? Because 2 methyl groups, nothing but 2 alkyl groups present in this amine. So this is secondary secondary amine means 2 degree, this 1 degree. So next example, this is tertiary amine 3 degree. Okay, these are amines. So organic compounds containing NH group, these are amines here, that means NH2. So these amines are formed by the that means replacement of hydrogen from ammonia by alkyl group. Ammonia lo unde hydrogen ni alkyl group to replace cheste amines anedi form aitayi. So here only one hydrogen maatrame replace aithe dento alkyl to, that is primary amine. 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by the 2 alkyl groups, that is secondary amine. This is tertiary amine. That means in primary amine only one alkyl group is present. So here is also one alkyl, that means methyl, that is primary, means 1 degree. So here 2 alkyl groups, nothing but like this, 2 alkyl groups, that means secondary amine or secondary and 2 degree. So here 3 alkyl groups are present like this, 1, 2, 3. So that is tertiary amine. So these are completed here. So next one is functional group. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం ఏం చెప్పాం, functional group అని చెప్తా ఉన్నాం. So what is meant by here functional group? Right. Functional group. Okay. Functional group means the atom or group of atoms which describe the chemical nature of the organic compound. That means here chemical nature of the organic compound. Okay, which describe the properties of carbon compounds is called functional group. The atom or group of atoms, which describes the properties of carbon compound. Are called is called functional group. It is functional group. So functional group is the atom or group of atoms which describes the properties of carbon compound. So actually in general the properties of carbon compound depends on the here the atom or group of atoms. అంటే కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అనేటివి ఏ ఆటమ్ పైన అయితే డిపెండ్ అవుతున్నాయో ఆ ఆటమ్ ని కానీ లేదా గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ ని కానీ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్స్ అని మనం చెప్తా ఉన్నాం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ ఏ మెయిన్ రియాక్టివ్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ ది కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ మేజర్, it plays the more reactive part in the carbon compound. So here the compounds having same functional group, that has a same properties. The compounds with the same functional group have a same properties. The compounds with same functional group have same properties. So ఒకే ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూప్ ఉండేటటువంటి కాంపౌండ్స్ అన్ని కూడా సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ని ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేస్తాయి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ మీన్స్ the atom or group of atoms which describes the properties of carbon compound is called functional group. That means properties of the organic compound depends on the functional group. అంటే సేమ్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉండేటటువంటి ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్ అన్నిటికీ సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. మీన్స్ మిథనాల్, ఇథనాల్, ప్రొపనాల్, బ్యూటనాల్. ఇక్కడ అన్నిటిలో కూడా ఆల్కహాలిక్ గ్రూప్ అనేది ఉంటుందమ్మా ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ గా. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ సిమిలర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. సో ఇందులో ఈ లాంగెస్ట్ కార్బన్ చైన్ ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ గా ఉన్నప్పటికీ రియాక్షన్ మాత్రం ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది అంటే ఎక్కడ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుందో రియాక్షన్ అక్కడ మాత్రమే జరుగుతుంది. లాంగెస్ట్ కార్బన్ చైన్ ఎంత పొడవుగా ఉన్నా ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ గా ఉన్నా కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ ఎక్కడ జరగదు. ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ మాత్రమే రియాక్షన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో హియర్ టు టేక్ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Some examples here. Right. Compound formula functional group. Compound formula right. So compound means alkane. Compound name means alkane. So this formula is RH function group like this. Around the carbon 4 single bonds are present. So next one, alkenes. Alkenes are CH double bond CH2. That is general formula. So functional group means C double bond O. That is functional group of the alkene. So next one, alkyne. Alkyne. C triple bond CH. That means here C triple bond C. That is functional group of the alkyne. So next one, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Alkyl halides names here RX. This is general formula of the alkyl halide. Functional group is a X. X. So next one, alcohol. Alcohol. Means ROH. This name functional group is OH group. Ether. ROR. Here like this. After that, ether. Amine. Amine. RNH2. Here NH2 group. Okay. Next, aldehyde. Aldehyde. RCHO, functional group is CHO. Next, ketone. Ketone, R, C double bond O, R, means this is ketone functional group. That is ketone. Means this is also RCO, RCOR, can be also written. RCOR. Okay. In both side of carbonyl group, alkyl group is present. Next, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid means RCOOH, functional group is COOH. Esters. Esters, here RCOOR. COR is a functional group of the ester. Next one, amide. Amide. R CONH2. Functional group is CONH2. That is amide. Cyanide. Cyanide. RCN. Functional group is CN. That is cyanide. Nitro compound. Nitro compound. RNO2. Functional group is nitro group. That means NO2. So next one, sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. RSO3H. This is SO3H. So these are functional groups in the various type of organic compounds. So alkane. Alkane formula is REH. Functional group is like this here. Alkene. Alkene. This is formula RCH double bond CH. మన ఫస్ట్ కేటగిరీలో ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్నాం చూడండి. ఆల్కేన్స్ అంటే సింగిల్ బాండ్స్, ఆల్కీన్స్ డబుల్ బాండ్స్, ఆల్కైన్స్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్స్ అని. సో ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఈస్ సి డబుల్ బాండ్ సి. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఆల్కైన్స్ హియర్ ఆర్ సి ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ సిహెచ్. సి ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్, that is functional group of the alkyne. So alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, formula is RS. Functional group is X. Functional group is X. So next one, compounds, alcohols. So formula is ROH. ROH. Functional group is OH. So ether. Ether means ROR. Functional group is O. Amine, RNH2. Functional group is NH2 group. Next one, aldehyde. That's general formula RCHO. Functional group is CHO group. Next, ketone, RCOR. Functional group is here CO. Carboxylic acid means RCOOH. That is COOH group is a functional group of the carboxylic acid. Esters means RCOOR. So this is COOR. That is functional group of the esters. Amides, RCONH2. In CONH2 is a functional group of the amide. Cyanides means RCN. That's a functional group is CN. Nitro compound RNO2. Functional group is NO2. Sulfonic acid RSO3H. Functional group is SO3H. Okay, right. Note this. అందరు నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇది కంపల్సరీ major important things in organic compound. Each and every organic compound has a various type of functional group. Already I told that point here. What I am saying now here, it is a more reactive part in organic compounds or carbon compounds, more reactive part. చూడండి, కార్బన్ చైన్ ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ గా ఉన్నా రియాక్షన్ ఎక్కడ జరగదు. ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది రియాక్షన్? ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడే జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అన్ని ఆర్ పెట్టాం. ఆర్ మీన్స్ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ అని అర్థం. దట్ మీన్స్ లాంగెస్ట్ కార్బన్ చైన్. సో ఈ లాంగెస్ట్ కార్బన్ చైన్ ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ గా ఉన్నా కూడా దేర్ ఇస్ నో రియాక్షన్ పాసిబుల్ ఎనీవేర్, బట్ వేర్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్, ఓకే, అంటే ఎక్కడైతే ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ మాత్రమే ఈ రియాక్షన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ టేక్ హియర్ అమైన్స్. సో ఆర్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది ఆల్కైల్. ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ చైన్ అయినా కూడా ఎక్కడ రియాక్షన్ అనేది డస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో ఎక్కడ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది? అమైన్స్ దగ్గర పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో యూ టేక్ హియర్ RCH11CH2, దట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్కిన్. సో ఇక్కడ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ గా ఉన్నా దేర్ ఇస్ నో రియాక్షన్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్, బట్ CH డబుల్ బాండ్ CH2, ఈ డబుల్ బాండ్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడే రియాక్షన్ జరిగేది. ఓకే, అది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది కార్బన్ చైన్ కావచ్చు, మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ది కార్బన్ చైన్ కావచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా కూడా రియాక్షన్ ఎక్కడ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది అంటే డబుల్ బాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడే రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. అట్లాగే ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్స్, అట్లాగే హ్యాలైడ్స్, ఓకే, ఆల్కహాల్స్ కూడా సేమ్. ఇవన్నీ కూడా అంతే. కార్బన్ చైన్ ఎంత లాంగెస్ట్ గా ఉన్న రియాక్షన్ జరిగేది మాత్రం ఒక ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడ మాత్రమే రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, here is also in aldehydes CHO ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్, కీటోన్స్ వచ్చే CO, కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ COOH. మనం ఈ నేమ్ చెప్పంగానే ఇమీడియట్లీగా ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ అనేది మన మైండ్లోకి రావాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ అన్నాను, ఇమీడియట్లీ COOH, functional group is COOH. Aldehyde, immediately CHO, ketones, CO, amines, NH2, amides అంటే NH2 గ్రూప్, amides అంటే CONH2. అట్లాగే నైట్రో కాంపౌండ్ NO2, నైట్రో కాంపౌండ్, ఈథర్ ROR, and alcohol ROH means functional group is OH. ఓకే, అట్లా రిపీటెడ్ గా ఒక 4 to 5 times అట్లా మనం చెప్పగలిగితే ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫైనైల్స్ ఆల్సో CN. So functional group is the atom or group of atoms which describes the properties of carbon compound is called functional group. So చూడండి, ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ ని డిసైడ్ చేసేటటువంటి ఆటమ్స్ లేదా గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ ఏమంటాం? ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ అంటాం. ఇన్ ది ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ more reactive part. So the compounds with same functional group, these having same properties. ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ సేమ్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటి ప్రాపర్టీస్ కూడా సేమ్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్సే. చూడండి, ఆల్కీన్స్ మీన్స్ సింగిల్ బాండ్, alkenes means single bond, alkenes means double bond, alkynes triple bonds between two carbon atoms, alkyl halides. For alkyl means R group, halides means X and different halogens means fluorine, bromine, iodine. These are halogens. Okay, alcohol ROH. So this is a OH. Alcohol functional group OH. Okay, OH then functional group ante alcohol. Ethers ante ROR, here O. Amines means RNH2. That functional group is NH2. That is amine. So aldehydes means CHO. CHO is a functional group of the aldehyde. So next ketone. Ketone means CO. CO is a functional group of the ketone. Carboxylic acid. RCOH is general formula here. COOH is a functional group of the carboxylic acid. So esters means COOR. COOR. What is the difference between carboxylic acid and esters here? In carboxylic acid, the replacement of hydrogen by alkyl group. Replacement of hydrogen by alkyl group. So then it is formed here esters. COOH లో ఉండే హైడ్రోజన్ ని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే దేంతో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి? ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి, అంటే ఆర్ గ్రూప్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. అలా చేస్తే ఎస్టర్స్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. సో నెక్స్ట్ అమైడ్స్ మీన్స్ RCONH2. RCONH2. This is CONH2. It is a functional group of the amides. Cyanides RCN. So this is CN. Nitro compound NO2 means NO2 is a functional group of the nitro compound. And sulfonic acid RSO3H. SO3H is a functional group of the sulfonic acid. Okay, compulsory random ga chudandi ketones annanu. What is the functional group of ketones? CO. What is the functional group of amides? CONH2. What is the functional group of alcohol? OH. Okay, next the functional group of amines like this, amines NH2. So random ga kuda ivanni neat ga meer gurtu pettukovali. Must and should functional group is must and should in organic compounds like this. Okay, compulsory అందరూ ఇవి నేర్చు పెట్టుకోవాలి, 100% గుర్తుండాలి ఇవి. ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్టర్స్ COOR, C and amides CONH2, nitro compound NO2 and cyanide CN, alkenes double bond and alcohol OH, ether O and ROR, amines NH2. Okay, itla ketones CO, carboxylic acid COOH, esters COR, amides CONH2, cyanides CN, nitro compound NO2, sulfonic acid is a functional group is SO3H, that is sulfonic acid. So ivanni neat ga meer gurtu pettukovali. So functional group ante enti ikkada atoms are group of atoms which describes the properties of carbon compound. These are called functional group. It is a more reactive part in the carbon compound, more reactive part. So first reaction జరుగుతుందంటే ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది అంటే ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ దగ్గరే. ఎక్కడ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ రియాక్షన్ జరిగేదానికి మేబీ ఛాన్సెస్. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటే వాటికి సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి ఆ ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్. రైట్, రిమైనింగ్ టాపిక్ ని టుమారో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.